Welcome students. Standard 2nd. Subject Computer. Lesson number 8. Editing in WordPad. Students, WordPad allows us to edit the document, to beautify it and make it look attractive. Let us learn how to edit a document on WordPad. In WordPad, you can move, copy and paste the text. Let's learn how to move the text. First, select the text. Students, to select the text, drag the cursor from one point to the another and the text is highlighted. Or on the Home tab, click on the Select All in the editing group. On the clipboard group, click on Cut. The text would disappear. Now move the cursor to the location you want the text to be moved. On the clipboard group, click on Paste. Students. Copy text. First, select the text. Second, on the clipboard group, you have to click on Copy. Now move the cursor to the location you want the text to be moved. On the clipboard group, click on Paste. Now the text is copied to the new location, students. Let us learn how to format the text on WordPad. After typing the text on the WordPad, select the text you wish to apply the text formatting on. Now second, on the Home tab, click on Font. See, different fonts are there, right? From the font group, you can select the font. A list will appear of the different fonts. Click on any font of your choice. How many fonts are there? Like Arial is there, Arial Black is there, Algerian is there, Arial Narrow is there. So there are many fonts. You can choose any one of your own choice. Now students, if you want to increase the text size, what you will do? See, this fonts are there, right? After that, one small box is there. In that number is written 11. Next to that, one A is there. You can see that? Yes. See students, if you want to increase your text, then you have to click on this A, which after this A, one small arrow is there. You can see, which goes upward, right? So if you want to increase your text, then you have to click on this A, and if you want to decrease your text, then next to this A, one small A is there, right? After that small A, one small arrow is there which is coming down. So if you click on that A, then your text will be decreased. Okay students? You can also enter the text size in the font size box. See where 11 number is written now. Directly you can write the font size there also. Now students, if you want to make the text darker, you have to click on bold. Bold means B button. You can see B in the font group, right. Now students, if you want to make the text slanting, you have to click on italics. Where is this italics? Next to B button, next to bold button, italics button is there. You have to click on it in the font group. Now students, suppose if you want to underline the text, what you will do? That time you have to click on the button U. Okay, this U button will underline your text. To strike the text, you have to click on Strike Through button in the font group. Students, if you want to change the color of the text, you have to click on A button. See, in this line, a capital A is there. Below that black line you can see, right? If you click on it, a color palette will open. From that, you can choose the color of your choice. Further part of the chapter we will study in the next lecture. Thank you.